Kids learn how to code by coding. It's like learning to play an instrument, a sport, learning a language. First, you need the solid fundamentals, then you learn how to apply them. Practice, practice, practice. Our courses are student-led, not instructor-led. Students work at their own pace, supported by an instructor, not at the pace of the instructor. Slower students aren't left behind. Faster students aren't held back. Our curricula are built from the bottom up, based on the concepts that are the foundations of good code writing. We invest large amounts of professional time and energy in developing and refining curriculum every year. Some of our courses are on the 5th or 6th generation and have been refined for almost over a decade. Experience counts, and we have it. Finally, there's technology. We've built a state-of-the-art learning management system that integrates videos of core concepts, exercises, project steps, and quizzes, and provides our instructors with the insight and data they need to manage your students' learning progression. Honestly, we're not for everyone. We're for those families who understand that in a world increasingly dominated by technology, that this is important. We're a community who understands that this is a game changer. So if you're looking for games, entertainment, or guilt-free babysitting, this isn't the place. Of course, it's your choice. But if this sounds right for you, sign up for a trial class. If you have questions, email learn@ucode.com to set up a consultation with an academic director. I hope we see you soon.